What a mess. I sowed beans, and I don't know what happened, but look at this. It's just weeds. Weeds everywhere. I mean, I'm not sure what went wrong. Obviously I have too much weed pressure, that's for sure, and the lack of cover crop, and trying to just mechanically get it in the spring doesn't work. Also, I think I have a combination of sowing too thin. I only used 40 plants per square meters, but then I think like look at this. There are no beans whatsoever, even though they haven't been quenched by the weeds. The beans are not just not there. So, well, not all pots are completely failed. Here's some area that actually we do have some beans. So I'm actually gonna save this and try to get whatever I get out of it. Disappointing, but that's the way it is. 2.5 hectares of it was way too bad, so I have terminated it now with the carrier. It's this part over here, and well, the carrier is a good. I'm using the cross-cutter disc, which is a wide disc, and that's very good at creating a tilth, but it's not good at doing anything against the perennials. I mean, they're all under this and they will just come back again. So that's not too much here, but further away there are actually a lot of perennials still standing, and I'm gonna leave them like that and do a little experiment. I'm gonna sow mustard on this piece. Mustard is known to be a very good weed killer. It also has this biofumic action that actually in a chemical way holds back both insects and weeds. Not insects, but pests. So I'm kind of excited about sowing mustard here and see what's going to happen. It's going to be interesting to see if it really can do something about the perennials or not. Like I said, I'm using this machine, the carrier, with a cross-cutter disc. As you can see, the roll is actually up in the air here. It's I'm trying to get as deep as I can with these discs, just because of the perennials. But well, we'll see. So next step will be to sow mustard here and then break it after like 45 days. So let's say we sow it around the 1st of July, and then break it, terminate it in mid-August. Well, actually I could leave it over winter, it doesn't matter. I could, now I'm speaking as I'm thinking here. Why not harvest the seed? That could be very useful. They are pretty expensive to buy, so if I could harvest the seed and just keep them for future cover crops. Actually, I'm gonna start planning for getting mustard in there if this experiment here works and what people say is true. Then it could be a really good solution to prevent this from happening again. So that's what I'm going to try on this part. Too bad, but that's farming.